And they have different waves too. The new wave is a lot longer. Different vibes? Yeah. Okay. Look at the difference. The difference in like neck angle. This new one is so much more 3D. And also so much more expressive. I also have all like brand new mouth forms. The shadow details, the range of motion. Yes, the range of motion is really good. I have bottom teeth now. I think the new mouse tracks a lot better too. Like I can be like, oh. It didn't really work with that. Like, or it didn't really work with the first model. There's also body delay. Look at how natural that looks. And the bun is a lot more jiggly. The O is so much more expressive. Yeah, I can like... I could judge you with this new face. Wait, I'm like smiling too much. Hold on. I can pog. These little sparkles. Yeah, they're pixels. Pixel sparkles. Wait, I want to show you something else. Okay. I haven't done this with the new model yet. Okay. Now we have the same tracking. Or the same setup. But like... I can just do this. What else is there to compare between? I feel like that's the main difference. Way bigger ranges of expressions and everything. Alright. There are two of them! Yeah! I can also show... This is mostly the same. I don't think this has changed too much. The long pigtails! Ah! The new ones are like a little bit more pink. Yeah, I have new model. Or I have long hair for this one too. There. It's a little bit longer, I guess. Different proportions. But yes. Alright. Thank you. Goodbye, 1.0 Jelly. You will be missed.